When I'm finding the area of these regular shapes, I think about it and I realize that these regular shapes are actually, because the sides are all congruent, the angles are all congruent, that I can really divide this into these congruent triangles. Now, each triangle, I need to know the height of that triangle, and the height of that triangle is actually called the apothem of the shape. And so they tell me the apothem is about 14.5 feet. And then I need to know the side, the base of that triangle, which is 12 feet. So one of those triangles will be 1/2 times the base, which is 12 feet, times the apothem, which is 14.5 feet. Now, the area of this entire shape, there are 8 sides, it's an octagon, but it says just of the shaded region, so there would be 5 triangles with this area. Once I multiply that out, I end up with, and I can't quite write this in here, 435 square feet that's actually shaded in. If you think about the area of this, part of the area of this entire shape, it's 1/2, and this would have been 8 if I was finding the area of the whole shape, 1/2 times the apothem, but then there's this side length times the number of sides part. Well, side length times the number of sides is the perimeter. So my area, 830, I had better undo that. My area, which is 830.324, is equal to 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. So I end up with 830.324 equals 8.35 p, which means the perimeter, by the time I divide both sides by 8.35, is 99.4 inches.